Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the solution and understanding of this new question, that is maximize the array. So friends, in this question we have given one array of length n, and we can do one operation on any element, that we can select any index and either we can increase it by 1 or we can decrease it by 1. So we have to find the minimum number of operation that is required to make the max of the array maximum possible. So here it is given that what is the max of the array. For example, if we take this array 2 to 1, the max of array is 0. The 0, because 0, the max is that number which does not belong to that array. So now friends, let's understand how we will approach this question. So friends, suppose we have given one array. Suppose this is our array. Suppose let's take it from the example that what is the example in this 0033, right? 0033. Friends, this is the array, right? So max of the array is the number from 0 to n is equal to 4, 0 to n minus 1, max which is not present in the array, right? Not present. For example, if we take this array 0033, 0 is present in the array, right? So it is not max, but 1 is not present in the array, so 1 is the max of the array. For example, if we take another example, that is 4410, 4410. So 0 is present in the array, 1 is present in the array, but 2 is not present in the array. So 2 is the max of the array. Now friends, the question is that we have to make this max the max possible. So here we have given that ai, the number belongs from 0 to n. So suppose we have n elements, 0 1 2 3, right? So number will belong to 0 to n. 0 to n only number can belongs, means the number n here is 4. So maximum number that can be present in the array is 4, not more than 4, right? So first we have to understand in this question that maximum possible of any array can be n. Suppose this is our array 0033, right? 0033. The maximum possible of the number can be n. N is equal to 4. Now because why it is n is equal to 4, because in ai can be 0 to n, right? ai can be 0 to n, so maximum possible can be 0 to any number less than n, so n can be the maximum possible, right? Now in this question 0033, sorry, yes, now in this question 0033, right, we have max possible is 4, right? And in this question our max is 1, because 1 is not present. Now we have to make this max as max possible 4, right? So what we can do, how we can do this? Suppose we increase this by 1, and we decrease this by 2, and this is 3. Now max of our array is 4, because 0 1 2 3 is present and max is 4, which is equal to max possible. And how many operations is required? One operation to increase this by 1 and one operation to decrease this by 2. Total operations that are required is equal to 2. So our output should be 2, right? So friends, now understand how we will approach this question. I hope you have understand the logic behind it, means what is the question all about. Now friends, let's understand how we will approach this question, right? Just a minute. So friends, 0033, this is our array and max possible is 4, right? Suppose any array, suppose this array is like this 3030, right? So first what we will do, we will sort the array 0033, right? Now what we will do, suppose our array is ai is from 0 to n, right? ai is from 0 to n, right? So our array, to make it maximum possible, it should be like this 0 1 2 3, right? So what we would do, we will take one array answer plus is equal to this array b, this, suppose this is our array minus I, and we will take absolute value. Suppose this minus this is 0, this minus this is 1, this minus this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So total 2 operations will be required. Now let's understand the other example. This is 4410, right? This is example. This example we would understand. This is our array given, right? So now first what we will do, we will sort the array 0 1 4 4. Our desired array will be 0 1 2 3 to make max possible as 4, right? What we will do, 0 minus 0 0, then 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 2 2, 4 minus 3 1, and then we will add all these things. 2 plus 1 3. So total 3 operations will be required, right? So you can see in this answer is 3 only. Now friends, let's understand the code, what I have coded. So friends, this I have entered t test cases. I have entered the array, maximum possible is n. I have sorted the array, and this is the minimum operations that I have stored in the long variable. Friends, remember this in this question, the it took me long time because I was storing it in int. So if you change it to long, the answer, all the test cases would pass, right? Then what I have done I equal to 0 to n, then minimum operation equal to mat.abs I minus of array I, and then I have printed out system.println min operations. And friends, all the test cases are passing. So friends, I hope you have understood the logic behind this question. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Please like and subscribe the channel.